Hello friends, this is Vinod Kumar Singh. As you know, the world is facing with corona disaster, so I brought social science classes at your home. Please watch it till the end, and if you please like, comment and subscribe. And please do not forget to push the bell icon. Thank you. Now, the chapter which I taken for SST today, it is power sharing chapter from civics grade 10th. So power sharing. We'll start with the topic by the heading, by the title of the chapter, that is power sharing. What is power sharing? It is a political arrangement where different groups of people or different communities are sharing the power of the government. Means if we take one example, we can have एक फैमिली है, एक फैमिली में जो फादर है उसके चार बेटे हैं और अपने फादर ने एक फैमिली मेंबर को यानी अपने एक बेटे को उन्होंने सारी की सारी प्रॉपर्टी हैंड ओवर कर दी है। तो जो तीन बच्चे बचते हैं वो तीन बच्चे लड़ेंगे उस प्रॉपर्टी के लिए। सो दे वुड आल्सो लाइक टू गेट वन शेयर ऑफ द प्रॉपर्टी। तो डेफिनेटली इफ वी शेयर द पावर with the all group members, so there will not be chances of conflict. So this is what the spirit of power sharing. Now this term ethnic will be keep using in the coming chapter, in the progress of the chapter. So what is ethnic? Ethnic is social division which is based on shared culture. Social division which is based on shared culture. It means the group members are sharing the same ethnic qualities like their tradition, like their beliefs and practices. Here we are going to discuss, in this chapter we are going to discuss the ethnic composition of Belgium and ethnic composition of Sri Lanka. So here first of all I am going to tell you about the location of Belgium country on the world map. Here you can see the Belgian country is surrounded by or bounded by four countries: France, Germany, Netherlands and Luxembourg. These are the four countries with which Belgium country is surrounded by. And these countries, the language, whichever language has been used, these countries language effect is on Belgian people also. So now we are going to see what are the ethnic composition, which is especially we'll discuss about here the language based ethnic composition in Belgium during 1950s 1960s. So here we have the pie chart. By the pie chart you can understand very easily. Duchess, percentage of Duchess is 59%. 59% Duchess are there. Okay, and these Duchess are living in the Flemish region. Now 40% are the French who are living in the Wallonia region, and 1% remaining are the German speakers. Now the problem, what is the problem in Belgium, that we need to understand. The problem is here that the Dutches are poor, they are educationally backward, economically not well off. But if we compare Dutches with French, they are well educated, they are propertied, they are powerful. So now the conflict arises here, that is related with who will take the power of the country, who will be running the government of the country. So now here you have to see that Dutches are more in number, so they want power. And the French are developed one, French are powerful, so they want all the country power should be given to French. Now this conflict arises. Now we are going to see how the countrymen, how the leader, how political leaders, they have accommodated the situation, how they have handled this situation. So next slide is here, which is telling you how leaders have accommodated the variety of population into one country. So they have even changed the constitution 4 times. It is mentioned here, you can see 90 1970 to 1993. During this time period, the Belgian political leaders, they have changed the constitution 4 times. They changed it. Why they changed it? So that everybody should get some equal share and they can be easily accommodated into one country. This is the thing we have to see here, and they have accommodated very well. Now, the next slide is telling you that how the Belgian government has been designed and how it worked then. Now, we'll start with the central government. So they have designed three kind of government. One is here central government. In central government, they decided that 50-50% reservation, or you can say 50-50% share in the power will be given to each community. So Dutch speaker members will be getting 50% seats in the parliament, and the French speaker also will be getting 50%. So in this way, we can say that no single community can make the decision for the nation. If the decision has to be taken, both the community has to come together and they can take the decision. Next stage is central government. Central government has given some power to the state government. Okay, and one thing to notice here, that state governments are not subordinate to the central government. as भाई इंडिया में आप देखिए, इंडिया में क्या है, जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट है, स्टेट गवर्नमेंट सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट के अंडर में आते हैं. बट यहाँ पे जो है गवर्निंग सिस्टम, उसमें क्या कर रहा है, जो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट है उसको सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट से सबऑर्डिनेशन में नहीं रखा है. They has been given the independent position, means the state government can make rules and regulation their own. They are totally free. Next kind of government which is made in Brussels. Brussels is the capital city, like जैसे कि हमारे इंडिया में दिल्ली है. Similarly, Brussels बेल्जियम की कैपिटल है ब्रुसेल्स. So ब्रुसेल्स के लिए एक सेपरेट गवर्नमेंट ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया है. So this separate government is also having the equal proportion. अब यहाँ पे एक चीज आपको जानने की जरूरत है कि जो ब्रुसेल्स है, यहाँ पे जो शेयर है, पॉपुलेशन का शेयर है, वो पॉपुलेशन का शेयर 80% फ्रेंच एंड 20% डचेज है. अब यहाँ पे अगेन प्रॉब्लम है कि मिसमैच है परसेंटेज का. बट हेयर अगेन इन ब्रुसेल्स गवर्नमेंट पीपल हैव डिसाइडेड कि the share of percentage in the government, means ministry, will be shared equally. So here will be 50% from French and 50% from Dutch. So in this way you can see that both the communities have negotiated and they have left their ego, and in this way they have negotiated somehow and they managed the situation. Next kind of government which has been designed here, that is what community government. Community government means government of a community. एक community के लोग हैं, जैसे Dutch community हो गई, French community है, German community है. So different communities are there. So different communities, they will be having their own government. Dutches की एक community government होगी, French की एक community government होगी और German की एक community government होगी. And only जब डचेस के लिए इलेक्शन हो रहा है, डच कम्युनिटी गवर्नमेंट इलेक्शन इज बीइंग कंडक्टेड, ओनली डच स्पीकिंग मेंबर्स will be casting the vote, no matter wherever they are living in the whole country Belgium. Okay, and this government has been given power regarding the cultural issues, regarding educational and language related issues. Okay, so this is how you can see four governments are here. One is the central government, one is the state government, other is the government at center, Brussels, and the fourth government is the community government. Now we are going to sum up the topic. So firstly, we have seen that due to ethnic diversity, problem arise in Belgium. Secondly, we have seen that this diversity was easily accommodated by the political members of the country, and they have negotiated the matter. They have divided the power among them equally, and on equal footing they have moved forward, and in this way the country is living with harmony. Okay, so what is the learning outcome? मीन्स हम यहाँ से सीखते क्या हैं इस टॉपिक से? तो सीखने की बात ये है कि डेफिनेटली जब भी हम पावर का डिवीजन करते हैं अपने लोगों के साथ में, तो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट का जो चांस है, झगड़े का जो चांस है, दैट चांस इज रिमूव्ड टोटली. Okay, this is what our topic for today. Will be keep coming with the new topics. Thank you so much.